3 things I don't like when talking to me. 1, don't talk to me like I am your child. 2, don't talk to me like I am supposed to be scared of you. 3, and never try to talk to me like I'm stupid.
Don't trust anyone. Life is full of fake people who pretend to care. But when you need them the most, they're nowhere to be found. It hurts. But it teaches you to trust yourself. That keep your heart safe and let the real ones prove they deserve a place in your life.
Whether we are black or brown or white, we all bleed the same red blood. And we are all made by the same Almighty God. Nobody can replace Mother. Nobody can do half the things she does or has done for you. No matter where she is, in heaven or here on earth, there is nothing like a mother's love.